Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video I'm making crispy fried chicken and I want to show you how I made it. I have here already washed chicken into the bowl and I'll be adding these spices. I have some onion powder there, store-bought mixed spices, garlic powder, salt, ginger powder, some chicken seasoning and a dry chili pepper. I'll mix all together and then pour into the chicken. I'm adding 2/3 of the spices into the chicken. I'll reserve the remaining for later use. I will then rub and mix the spices very well on the chicken. I will cover with cling film and keep in the fridge to marinate for about 1 to 2 hours. You can leave it in the fridge for up to 6 hours or more. But I'm leaving this for just a few hours because we are eating it as lunch. To the remaining spice, I will add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and mix together. Two hours later, we have our chicken well marinated. I have some eggs here. I'll break in 1 egg into the chicken. And mix thoroughly. Then into my dried frying pan, I will add in good amounts of oil and start heating it up. I will now rub the chicken with the flour mix. I divided the flour into 2 parts. When I'm done with one, I'll continue with the other. After mixing all the chicken with the flour mix, we'll now start frying. By now the oil is well heated. I will start frying. Fry on a medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes on both sides. Please don't fry on a very hot oil or the chicken will burn. Mine almost burnt, but we'll still enjoy it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video also, and leave your comment in the comment section. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.